GT500, a legend.
Buried under 50 years of dust, we finally found the elusive prize. Hidden away for decades, this isn't just a car, it's history.
This 60 Shelby was a barn find.
From this oxidized shell, we begin the meticulous process of resurrecting a legend, the 1967 Shelby GT500.
After months of meticulous work, the time has finally come to reveal the true color beneath the dust.
There she is, back in the sun where she belongs. Took us nearly 2 years to get her this perfect.
The 1967 Shelby GT500, a masterpiece of American muscle. After months of meticulous work.
All right, easy now, keep it straight. Got it. Looks good coming over the lip.
We need to replace the entire front clip. Look at the radiator support.
I'm documenting the deformation here.
I agree. We can't save this fender.
This Shelby GT500 is a classic beauty, but as you can see, the rust is extensive.
These wheels is incredible.
The first step is carefully prying the damaged chrome bezel away. Then we can access the wiring harness behind the broken assembly.
All right, easy now, lift. I've got the weight. Rolling it back.
The 67 Shelby GT500 is a rare.
And there it is. The legendary big block is finally free, ready for a complete overhaul.
The Shelby's massive transmission requires.
The Shelby's original exhaust system was completely seized. It took some serious effort to break those bolts. First step is getting this old fuel tank out. 50 years of grime means we'll need the pneumatic wrench for these straps.
Sandblasting is crucial for removing decades of rust and preparing the iconic Shelby body for its new paint. The skeleton arrived stripped bare, but soon the iconic metallic blue and those racing stripes brought the legend back to life.
After hours of meticulous work, the metallic blue finally reveals its true depth.
Months of work culminate in this delicate operation, as the heart of the GT500 is finally secured.
Securing the caliper with the digital torque wrench ensures everything is precisely within the manufacturer's specifications.
The wiring harness in a 67 Shelby is incredibly complex. Getting it seated correctly behind the dash is crucial for everything to function. Wet sanding is crucial for achieving that mirror finish. It removes the orange peel texture, leaving a perfectly flat surface for the final clear coat.
The legendary 67 Shelby GT500, now coated in its iconic metallic blue, ready for the final clear coat.
Before the legendary metallic blue can be laid down, the body must be perfectly primed.
The Shelby GT500 is iconic. Laying down this metallic blue requires absolute precision to achieve that mirror finish.
The second coat is where the magic happens. We're building depth and ensuring those iconic white stripes are perfectly contrasted against the deep blue. Here, the metallic blue receives its final clear coat, a flawless mirror finish achieved through precision spraying and extensive polishing.
The deep metallic blue of this Shelby requires meticulous care. This final stage of polishing is crucial for its
Restored to its former glory, this 1967 Shelby GT500, with its flawless metallic blue paint.
Slowly lower it down, watch the mount on the right.
Okay, I see it. It's lining up now.
Perfect.
With the chassis secured, the team begins the delicate process of mating the new suspension to the iconic Shelby.
The next step is fitting the polished stainless steel exhaust, crucial for that signature Shelby sound.
Make sure the alignment is perfect before we hit it with the gun.
Got it. Check the clearance on the caliper too.
Getting the headlights aligned perfectly is crucial. Then it's time to carefully maneuver the restored leather seats back into the cabin and secure them. The dashboard of the GT500 requires meticulous attention to detail, aligning the instrument cluster and ensuring the wire. You have to be precise lining up the splines. Then it's just a matter of torquing it down to spec before the final polish. She runs. Sounds absolutely perfect.
The 1967 Shelby GT500, a true icon of American muscle. This metallic blue finish.
After months of meticulous work, the 1967 Shelby GT500 finally breathes the open air.
The 1967 Shelby GT500, a legend reborn, bathed in the golden hour.